Hi guys, today I am reviewing a portable vlogging kit with a ring light. Before I get started, I'm going to ask you to please like and subscribe so you can see my other reviews as soon as it's published. So let's get started. I got this from Best Buy during their Black Friday sale, and normally it's priced at $39.99. At the time it was 50% off, so I only paid $20 for it. It is made from Sunpak. Here's what the box looks like. So first I'm going to go over what I like about this, and then I will go over what I dislike as well. So first, let's go over here what I like. This cell phone holder can be adjusted in different angles. So all you have to do here's a cell phone holder. All you have to do is use this, unscrew this, and then if you want to use this vertically to put your phone here vertically, you can do it like so. Or if you want to use it horizontally, you just leave it here as is, and you can just fit it right here. Or if you need to angle this, of course you have those options, downward options, or going up as well. The cell phone holder is wide enough that it can hold a phone with a cover on it. So I have a LG G8 phone, and it has a pretty thick cover on it, and it still fits in here. I do not have to remove my cover, which is nice because I'm somebody that accidentally drops my phone often, so I can't do without a cover on it. If you have a cover that has the phone stand included on the back side, then you may have to remove the cover. Otherwise, you should be fine. Now I'm going to show you the different light settings on this ring, and in order to do so, I will turn off my current lighting source. I do have an umbrella light on the right hand side and on the left hand side as well, and I also have natural light through a window straight ahead of me. So I will turn off the lights so that you can see what the ring light will look like. Okay guys, so right now my only source of lighting is the window that is straight ahead of me, so I can show you, so you can see what the ring light will look like and how much light it provides. Okay guys, so this does come with a remote attached. You can turn it on or off through this, and there is a plus and minus sign which allows you to adjust the dimmer on it. And then it also comes with 3 different types of light settings. This is actually the dimmest setting, and it just gets brighter as you can see here. So this is pretty bright. So if I was to turn this on this way, here's what it would look like. And here I am dimming it. There you go. It does have another light setting also. So, okay, this is the warm light. And again, each setting has a, can be dimmed or brightened. So this is the dimmest on the warm light. I will now turn it up here to brighter and turn it this way. So this is what you would look like if you were using it for vlogging or video conferences or for makeup tutorials, or just an extra source of lighting. Maybe you're reading and you need extra lighting. And then now there is a blue light as well. So here's the blue light. This is the brightest setting here, and I'm going to now turn this down to the lowest setting, as you can see right here. So just to give you an idea as well of what it looks like with no light, and then the brightest setting, here's what it looks like with no light. This is just lighting source just from my window that is just straight ahead of me. And now I'm going to turn this on so you can see what this looks like in the brightest setting. This is the brightest setting of the LED blue light. This is the brightest setting in the warm light. Here it is again. And here you go again. So 3 different lighting sources. Okay guys, I have now turned my lighting back on because I have turned this off. I want to now share what I dislike about this particular vlogging kit. There are 2 points that I dislike, and I feel like these are pretty big deals. One is the tripod, the stand itself. And so here's how you pull this down. You can kind of hear the locking of it. So here's what it looks like standing up. Okay, I have used this a couple of times now, and my major sore point with the tripod, the stand itself, is that this portion here does not lock. So there were a couple times that I saw that it was starting to slide off, and I had to go and catch it before I just fell completely because I was using my phone on here, and so I didn't want my phone to break or the screen crack. So I had to go and catch it pretty quickly. And it was sitting on top of hardwood floors at the time. So because this does not lock, it started to just slowly slide off, and then it was unstable. So that's one point that I don't like about this, is that there is no way to lock this. And I think that if there was a way to lock it, it would make it more secure. The next point that I don't like, again, I feel like this is a pretty big deal here for a portable vlogging kit. This light here does not work unless it is attached to something. It does have to be plugged in. It has to be plugged into an AC power or some kind of a power source. Otherwise it does not work, which I feel like it makes it less portable that way. It is not rechargeable. Again, it's not rechargeable, so I feel like it is a little deceiving when they say portable, because when I hear portable, I would think that I can take it anywhere. And in this case, I feel like I can't do that because I have to be attached to something in order to make this work. So right now I am using my phone charger to plug this into an outlet. I have also used the USB on my laptop. What I have noticed is that if my laptop does not have enough charge in it, it will send me a message saying that there's not enough power to power this. So I feel like I have to be attached to or be close to an outlet, which is fine. It's not a big deal, but again, it makes it less portable. So I feel like this is a great vlogging kit if you're going to be at home using it for a video conference, so you're looking your best self, because it does provide a lot of lighting. This is a great lighting source. So I think it's great for that, or for vlogging as well, or maybe even for, you know, applying makeup, you need some extra lighting, or maybe it's dark and your lighting source is not very great and you need a little bit of extra light while you're reading. I think this is great for that, but I think that because the stand is not very stable, it's best to use this while setting at the lowest setting, sitting on top of a table. And even though this box here says portable, I feel like it's a little misleading because you do have to be attached to some kind of a power source in order for this light to work. So there you go, guys. I hope this review was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see my other reviews as soon as it's published. Thanks, guys. Hi guys, I wanted to provide you another clip of this ring light so you can see for yourself, if you are doing a video conference, what the difference looks like. So right now it's about 6 p.m. And I have no other source of lighting right now, not even the ceiling light. So I am now going to turn on this ring light. So I want to turn this on. You can see the difference right there. So here's another setting. Here's the other. Now this is all bright settings. The brightest settings in the 3 different type of light settings that this ring, this vlogging kit provides. But I think this one here looks the most natural, if you will, for video conference, especially if you are doing it during the daytime or if you are taking a video. So there you go, guys. I'll turn this off. This is what it looks like if I don't have any lighting, and here you go. You can see the difference with the ring light. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful. Thanks.